Hi, good afternoon. Um, I've decided to change my rear shock on my rear monoshock on my Triumph Explorer to a more beefier shock. I ordered one off Hagon. This is it. This is it. Looks quite good, doesn't it? Very engineered, very well, and it's set up for my size and weight, my wife's size and weight, including luggage. Because what I'm finding is every motorcycle I buy, the shocks just aren't, the shock absorber, whether it's a twin shock or a monoshock, they're just not beefy enough. I know I'm a big guy, but they're just not beefy enough for one person, passenger and luggage. So I've changed to this now. I did have a Harley Sportster a long time ago, and I changed the twin shocks on that to accommodate my size, weight and shape, and I found such a benefit in doing it that I've decided to do it on this as well. I'm recording with my camera, my Canon EOS M3, and I'm recording with my TomTom Bandit, which I've set up so you can hopefully see me undoing nuts and bolts and changing it. But the reason that I've set it up is for people like me that have never done this kind of thing before, and I certainly haven't done this on a monoshock before. Twin shock, yeah, a lot easier. Monoshock can be difficult. So as you can see, I've already taken the back section of the exhaust off to make things a little bit easier for me to maneuver and to get the bolts out, because when you go to take the bottom bolt out, it was touching the exhaust. So without further ado, I'll get some sockets sorted and I'll have a go at this, and we'll see how we go. Right. I just wanted to show this side because I've got to show that I've removed this bolt that goes through here, and well, yeah, that bolt that goes through there and that bolt that goes through there. There's the top bolt come out. It's all getting a bit loose now, but it can't. The last one to come out is this one, this bottom one going through the frame. It's going to be a bit awkward because this box is in the way. So yeah, I think I need to take it off. I've had to remove this here. I've had to remove this foot peg to get the last bolt out. It's all hanging there now. The last thing I need to do now is to get rid of this. Take these two bolts out to get the foot peg away, to enable me to get the lower bolt out from there, and then the whole shock then just slid out from the middle and down and out. It's on the floor. I've actually got it out. So if we just take a look, there's the old shock that's come out, and there's the new one. So what I'm going to need to do now is on the bottom, yeah, I'll just move this up so you can see. On the bottom I need to take this, I've got new bearings to go in here and new seals, and then this goes on to there, as you can see. And these are the bearings. If you can see, there's bearings in there. There's seals, and then there's these seals, and then there's bearings. Those bearings. So I've had new bearings, so these bearings are going to come out, because when I looked at them, my God, they were ruined. It's ready to go now. That's the old shock absorber, and that's the new one. If you can see, the springs are quite wide apart on this, and they're quite narrow on this one. bolt next to each other, which means this is a lot more sturdier. To get the bearings in the end of this linkage, it wasn't an easy thing. It was quite time consuming, but now I've done it and I've greased them up nice, easy, free, so we can go back on. So here it goes. What I'm going to have to do is take this handle off those two nuts, two Allen bolts. There's two Allen bolts there. I'm going to take those two Allen bolts out, take this off, get it back up, and then screw it back up. Get it in and then screw it back up.